guys, it's MINERALIZE and today is Saturday. So this is my Saturday vlog. I think that's what I'm going to do, is do Saturday vlogs. I thought I just saw a big bug on my flower. Anywho, just got dressed and I'm getting ready to go to Walmart because I want to get another garland if they have it. Probably try to hit Trader Joe's and pick up lunch. I want to try this ramen place, so this should be interesting. I'm going to get it to go because I have my kids with me and they're not going to eat ramen, so I'm just going to grab it to go. So here's my, let me take off. I have not had makeup on in so long, so I think it looks okay. You know how when you don't wear makeup for a while, you kind of forget like how to apply it, like which brushes to use. Yeah, stuff like that. So curly style for the day. Because it's wash day, hair looks a hot mess, so I will be doing that. I don't know, I think I want to do like a twist out or something because I'm kind of tired of the whole wash and go. But anywho, yeah. What's going on with my flower here? Let's see. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is my Hoya. I think this is the princess or the cream. I don't remember. Lily, it's gone. There's no more water. Anywho, I don't know if that part is dying or if that's new growth. My little ugly spider plant, which I can't stand, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. And my dusty rubber plant. This is the variegated rubber plant. I have another Hoya. And then I think this is my Swiss cheese plant that I propagated because it was growing way too long. And I don't know if you can see this one. This is a silver Ann, but there's a dead leaf right there. I think I need to move it because it's not getting enough sunlight. And then my black ZZ Raven. Then I have my lemon lime Potho or Potho. And then my two fiddle leaves that needs to be rotated. Oh, you guys, they're so dusty. So I'm back running some errands, and like I said, I went to HEB and Trader Joe's. So here are the groceries that I got from HEB. Got some strawberries, raspberries, onions, potatoes, chips. I really been into these Suja shots. So I have the immunity one with zinc and probiotics. This one is the vitamin C shot. Here's the digestion one with ginger and probiotics. So yeah, I got a couple of those. This is the creamer that my husband likes, the French Vanilla International Delight. I like this one, almond milk. This is pretty good. Regular milk for my kids' cereal. I like this particular butter. This is vegan. My friend, she uses this and it's really good. Some lemon juice. Avocados. I like buying this kind of Parmesan. I don't like the Kraft Parmesan. I like real Parmesan, so I get this one. This is over in the deli section. My guilty pleasure, cracklings with some hot sauce. I got a whole, pretty much a whole half of a salmon, and I had them cut it up in portions. Bananas, bell peppers. I think I said this already, but some Capri Sun juice. Coke. Some Ezekiel bread. Some distilled vinegar, because I like to use this in my laundry. Chicken breast, 2 packs of HEB. Natural chicken breast. Then I have, let's see, some romaine hearts for like a crunch when I make my salads. Okay, so I love this organic. Okay, the only reason why I get it organic is because the regular one is not in this large container, and this is for my lunch as well as my tortoise food. So that's that. Now onto the star, which is all my Trader Joe's stuff. Sorry for this lighting, you guys, but I got this butternut squash soup and the autumn harvest creamy soup. I got 2 of those. Some cookie butter spread. Some cookie butter spread for my Ezekiel bread. Cold pressed olive oil. I haven't had the HEB pickles, but I love pickles for my lunch, so I'm gonna try these. And one of my favorite chips from, or well, cracker snack things, the 3 beet. These ones are good. The 3 seed beet crackers are really good. Some capers. Kalamata olives. What is this? We got chai tea latte mix. This, I haven't seen this or had this. This is the salted caramel flavored hot cocoa for my kids. What else? Let's see. Green Goddess seasoning. And just some regular basil. I got some zucchini noodles. Some arugula. Peanuts. What is this? Organic kale. It's this salad that I want to make. If you guys ever follow or watch videos from the Glam Twins, Kendra makes this fall, I'm gonna just say like a fall harvest salad. So whole wheat fusilli pasta. I got 2 bags of those. I saw this. It's looking really appetizing. Never go to Trader Joe's when you're hungry. Butter toffee pretzels, some prosciutto. I only like the HEB kind. Some raw whole cashews, which is also for that salad by Kendra. Well, I seen her make the salad. Then I saw this. I want to try this. This pumpkin bisque soup. And then some granola, pumpkin seed, and flax. Pomegranates. Some pomegranates. You can't forget the Trader Joe's Mandarin orange chicken because organic string cheese, mozzarella, some frozen green beans. I love their yogurt. And that is it. This is my grocery haul for today. This would last me pretty much 2 weeks. I probably won't go back to the grocery store for 2 weeks. If I have to, it'll be to get some milk. I stopped buying the gallons because my kids, it will go bad before they actually finish it. So I just started getting this half gallons, which has been working out perfectly. Now that they're older, they don't eat as much. Okay, so we're back from the stores, and I went ahead and stopped at this ramen bar called Ramen Bar Ichi. And if you're in Houston, it's on Dairy Ashford. So here's the address. I heard this place was really, really good. Here are the prices. So I got 2 of the ramen. So I think one of them was like 13 something. So, all right, here we go. Food porn.